Hello everyone and welcome back to another Facebook ad review breakdown, a show where we break down Facebook ads from brands big and small to see what works best. Today, we will be breaking down the cornerstone of Facebook advertising in 2020. I'm talking, of course, about the 15-second ad. So we got three different ads from three very different niches. First, you got an ab toner. Second up, you got some sunglasses. And third, you got a teeth whitening product. All three ads are very different from the outside, but when we take a closer look, you'll find that there is a pattern to them that makes them all really quite similar. And I know all of you ad hackers out there are looking for that golden formula to skyrocket your ads. Let's see if we can find it. Talk about hype. All right, let's slow it down a little bit and break it down bit by bit. Okay, so a very strong and dynamic hook. Aside from the music, you can see that within the first 4 seconds, there is not one, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots within the first 4 seconds. That is a dynamic hook. Right away afterwards, you got the call to action, tone your abs. Within the first 4 seconds, you literally know exactly what this product is and what this product does. Okay, so up next, you have a very intense demo sequence demonstrating how this product works. Not only is it extremely intense, if you're out of shape, this thing will literally bend you over backwards as you stand to get you fit. But it also demonstrates that you can put it around your waist, hide it under your zipper. It doesn't matter if you're a man, girl, black, white, whatever. This belt will get anyone into shape. And what do we finish with? Of course, social proof. A big banner that says 10 million happy customers, right? If you're not sure about the credibility of this product, the fact that there's 10 million people using it might help to convince you. That's my wife. She's gonna make a guest appearance in her lovely shorts.
Focus, baby, focus.
Next, a really quick title saying you got clinically proven results. I mean, does that even really mean anything? Does it really mean a lot? What does clinically proven results actually mean? It says 50 years of medical experience above it in a batch. Honestly, who knows what that means? But when you read it, it looks legit. And lastly, of course, a 60-day money-back guarantee with a call to action. A very powerful call to action indeed. Very nice ad. Reminds me of the days I used to go clubbing. You know, the music is pretty... Up next, we got a sunglasses brand. Let's play this through and see if there's any similarities between what we just saw and what we're about to see. All right, so boom, right in there with the hook. Very fast-paced editing, once again. Lots of different images of the same girl wearing the glasses, but clearly she is some sort of an influencer, and if she's not, they sure as hell dressed her up like one, followed with what? Once again, social proof. Unlike the other ad where we had the social proof at the very end of the video, we got the social proof right at the very beginning. 5-star ratings by 250,000 plus customers, right? If you've never heard about this brand and you see 250,000 plus customers, what are you gonna think? You're gonna think it's a legit brand. So after the hook, once again, you got a demo sequence. Although it's a different product, I'm hoping that you're starting to see the similarities between these two ads. In the other ad, you got different people being shocked by the product, and here you got the same beautiful woman dressed in different beautiful outfits, showcasing how beautiful and amazing these glasses are. That's pretty clever, no? And let's see what we finish with. Okay, boom, you got some reviews, literally spelling out a customer's review at the very bottom, as well as the 5 stars. Once again, social proof. Social proof finished with 3 pictures of different beautiful women wearing the same glasses in different settings. Once again, more social proof. It's almost exact same as the previous ad, minus some of the unique selling propositions like the 60-day money back guarantee, etc. And lastly, we got a teeth whitening product ad. Once again, it's 15 seconds long. You will see that on the outside, it looks completely different, right? Almost nothing like the other two ads. But once we take a closer look at the structure of how this thing is put together, I think you'll start to see a pattern. Right, within the first 4 seconds, what do we see? First and foremost, the attention is drawn right to the social proof. 4.6 ratings from 33,000 reviews. And what do we have following that? Once again, a demo section demonstrating what the product is, how the product works, right? Some unique selling propositions, a new formula, amazing. But then a simple sequence of a girl whitening her teeth as she's doing her daily makeup, right? As she's just taking care of herself, doing some pampering. While you're doing it, might as well put this teeth whitener in your mouth, give yourself a beautiful smile. It's that easy to get beautiful teeth today. Very effective. And to finish with, once again, money back guarantee, just as seen in the first ad, 60-day money back guarantee, and a simple call to action. Shop now. Right, I hope these 3 ads are starting to clarify the structure of the 15-second ad. What do we have at the very beginning? A hook, right? Something that demonstrates a wow factor of your product. Following by that, you got the demonstration part. This is usually the longest part of your video. Once you hook the people in, you want to show what the product does, how the product works as quickly and as efficiently as possible. And of course, you want to make the visuals dynamic. You don't want to just have the one person doing the one thing. Remember, you got 15 seconds to communicate what your product is about. Just 15 seconds, right? It's a hard thing to do, but when done well, it is so effective, especially for driving cold traffic. And all of them finish with what? Everyone knows this. If you've been in e-commerce for one day, you know this. Your ads got to finish with what? A call to action. Simple. You could say it's a formula. I wouldn't call it that. Every ad has its nuances. Every product, of course, has its nuances, but you could definitely see a pattern reoccurring in this ad. Why is this important? Well, because Facebook itself and Facebook Agency Hub is telling us that these ads are the most effective ads, right? And it makes sense. Think about it. You've never heard about something, you're scrolling through your feed. If the ad is 30, 40, 50 seconds long about a product that you've never heard about before, unless it's a unicorn ad where there's something amazing happening that just stops everyone from scrolling, most people are probably just gonna skip right through this thing and move on with their lives or move on with scrolling. I don't know if you can call it moving on with your life with COVID, right? Everyone's locked up at home. What can you really do? Can you call it life? Yeah, let's not complain. That's besides the point. No one's got the time to watch your 50-second ad is what I'm saying. That's why within the 15 seconds, if you can just wow them with your product, if you can make them go, holy shit, what is this? Oh my God, why have I not seen this before? They will click on it and go to your website where they can learn your whole brand story, right? Remember the purpose of this ad. It's to get people to click that button, nothing else. Thank you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you got some value out of it, please.
I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed it.
My wife liked it, so I hope you did too.
I love it.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel. We will be putting out more content like this on the weekly basis. If you are an e-commerce entrepreneur, if you're into dropshipping, if you're looking at kicking off your own brand, we're hoping they will provide you with some value about how to create the best ads to do so. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next one.